Myself, Kamal Kishore Sharma, lecturer in Electronics Department, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. Now today I am deliver a e-lecture on medical electrodes introduction. Today we start Unit 2, the introduction of medical electrodes. Interface between the body and electronic measuring device is required to measure and record biopotentials. This interface function is achieved through electrodes. In order to measure, signal current has to flow through the circuit. Therefore, electrodes must have capability of conducting a current across the interface between the electronic measuring circuit and the body. The electrode actually carries out a transducing function where current flows in the body by ions along with the current flow in the electrode by electrons. The bioelectric potentials generated in the body are ionic potentials produced by ionic current flow. Measurement of these ionic potentials require conversion into electronic potentials. Accordingly, development of the modern noise-free and stable measuring device are available. The device that convert ionic potentials into electronic potentials are called electrodes. The design of electrodes are dependent on understanding bioelectric potentials in general and measurement of pH, PO2 and PCO2 of the blood in particular. The measurement of ionic potential and the measurement of electric currents in body need some interface between the body and the electronic measuring instrument. This function is achieved through biopotential electrodes. Potential measurement is done through current flow in the measuring circuit for some time over which the measurement is done. In ideal conditions, this current should be very small. The electrodes should have the capability of conducting a current across the interface between the body and electronic measuring circuit. The electrode carries out a transducing function since current is carried out in the body through ions. It is carried in the electrodes and its lead wire by electrons. Electrode has a transducer to change an ionic current into an electric current. The figure 1 illustrates the electrolyte interface. The electrode to the electrolyte net current flow consists of number 1 electrons moving in a direction opposite to that of the correction the electrode. Number 2, cations, that is C plus, moving in the same direction as the current. And third one is anion, that is A, moving in opposite direction of the current. These are no free electrons for charge to cross the interface, that is no free electrons in electrolyte or no free cations or anions in the electrode. Therefore, chemical reactions occur at the interface. It is presumed that the electrode is made up of some atoms of the same material as the cations, and this material in the electrode at the interface can be oxidized to form a cation and some free electrons. The cation is discharged into the electrolyte. The electron serves as a charge carrier in the electrode. An anion coming to the electrolyte interface can be oxidized to a neutral atom after giving one or more free electrons to the electrode. Both reactions are reversible, and these reactions occur even when no current is crossing the electrolyte interface. However, the net transfer of charge across the interface is zero, as the rate of oxidations reactions equal the rate of reactions when current is crossing the interface. If the current flow is from electrode to electrolyte, the oxidation reaction dominate, but when the current is in the opposite direction, the reduction reactions dominate. Now conclude. As we know that cells generate the ionic potential, these potentials are very small in magnitude and being amplified for useful recording or display. The very important consideration is that how to pick up the potential so generated. The devices that convert ionic potentials into electronic potential are called electrodes, as we previously discussed. Since these electrodes will pick up the potential of living tissues, it will be called as medical electrode or bioelectrodes. Since these are energy converting device, so we may consider that these electrodes are fundamentally, क्या कहते हैं इसको, since these are energy converting device, so we may consider that these electrodes are fundamentally transducers. इस यूनिट में हम मेडिकल इलेक्ट्रोड्स इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे। नेक्स्ट स्टैंड पे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बायो इलेक्ट्रोड थ्योरी। थैंक यू।